Dark matter is a vast cosmic mystery. It comprises 85% of the universe's mass. Dark matter doesn't interact with light. We can't directly see or measure it. It bends light by influencing gravity. Dark matter helps to shape galaxies. Its true nature remains undefined. We only detect it through gravitational effects. Researchers use indirect methods to study it. Theories about dark matter are numerous. It might be made of unknown particles. Current technology can't capture it. Dark matter could impact our physics understanding. Its existence reshapes our cosmic perspective. Dark matter